Welcome back to Profiting from PLR. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss repurposing and changing the media. What you're doing is you're changing the form of your private label rights content to something that will satisfy some of your customer base, some of your listening base. You want to give people the content that they want in every medium that you can because you want to be every place where your prospect is. So here are some ways that you can repurpose and change the media. One thing you can do is to record an MP3 of the content. The easiest way to do that would be to use Audacity, and there is a video showing you how to do that there that will demonstrate the use of Audacity. Now, one of the other things that you can do, of course, is you can create a video either using Google Hangouts, you can create a video using Camtasia or screen sharing software. And of course, you can have someone record you, provided you can deliver the information without having to read it on camera. And as a matter of fact, you don't want to read anything on camera, even if you're not going to be on the screen. When you create a video using Hangouts or Camtasia, you don't have to be on the camera. However, you should not sound like you're reading. That will not make a good product. It will not set you apart as an authority, and it will bore people and make them want to go away. Okay? Now, the other thing that you can do is you can create an ebook or a workbook for your audio or your video. Now, basically what you're going to do, we talked about this in a previous video. You are going to want to rewrite the content when you do this. Now, you don't have to rewrite the content because obviously it's not going to show up in the search engines. But it could be that if you're selling this within the niche, that someone else is going to see the same content. If it's possible, when you create your ebook or your workbook, you want to rewrite the content. If you can't, then go ahead and use the content. Just be aware that other people have it available. So all you're basically going to do is reformat the content into a document and save it as a PDF workbook. And you're going to deliver that right along with your audio or your videos, whatever you're selling or giving away. Okay, now, the last thing that we're going to talk about here is writing a how-to guide. Now, that's going to take the same level of activity that we talked about before, which is rewriting, but you're rewriting in a specific format. And if you have enough pages and you have enough in your guide, you want to then take that guide and upload it to Amazon.com so that you can put your guide on Kindle. If you put your guide as an ebook on Kindle, you have a market of a great number of people who would never visit a website in order to buy a book. But people who go to Amazon.com, they expect to get content, they expect to get good content, and if you can deliver in a how-to guide, you'll get more traffic and influence. Now, the other thing that you can do with Amazon, of course, you can put your book on Create Space and create a paper copy. If you are doing work in your local area, you can always use that paper copy to put in someone's hands, again, signaling to them that you are an authority in your niche. Now, in part 2, we're going to discuss 4 more ways that you can repurpose and change your media in order to profit from PLR. So thanks, and I will see you in the next video.